Hello students, in this video we continue our sign up page. If you don't know about the previous part of it, go towards the sign up page part 1 and then see this video. So here I am adding one H2 tag here, and inside the H2 tag I am giving the user registration label. So here we see user registration. Okay, now if I run this form or run this page, okay, so ignore this error. Here is our web page. This is the user registration, first name. If I click on register, then validation error messages showing in front of me. Then here we can choose the file for profile picture. So in this way we select the file first and then upload photo. Click on upload photo, then our file or photo will be uploaded in our project folder, and that same photo displayed here inside this image control, and then we decide whether it is correct or not. If it is correct photo, then we move towards the next and register. Now here if we already registered, then we may click on this link and we go towards the login page. We are not designing login page yet, so it is a blank here. Now we before going towards the coding, we need to create one table here. So I am adding one SQL Server database in my website. Here I am giving the database name as SampleDB, and I am clicking on add. So one database is created here. Inside that database I am creating one table. Then for storing first name, I am taking F name, L name, then contact. For contact I am taking decimal and changing the size as 10. Then user or uname, and then password, or we can say that PWD or varchar, then picture and a role. For storing role, 10 size is enough. Then password 20 characters enough, or 30. For username, for first name and last name, 20 character length is sufficient. And ID I am setting as a primary key, also auto generated. So identity specification, and clicking on yes. Also the role is by default allow nulls, and removing this allow nulls and setting the default value as customer. So whenever we are not giving the value of role, the role inserted value as customer, default value is customer. Now I'm changing the size as 20. Now here I am saving the table as user info. Okay. Okay, so here first name, last name is there, contact is there, username, password is there, pic means photo, and role is there. So database is also ready, and our page is also ready, designed page. Now we are moving towards the coding part. Now here, when user clicks on this upload photo, what functionality we want? That selected file we want to store inside our project folder. So here I am adding one folder for storing the images. So I am adding one folder as images. So whatever photo user uploaded, we store inside this images folder. And then we user click on register, and that whole information we store inside this user info table. So what is the functionality here inside this upload photo? We double click on this. So here, if file upload control is there, file upload one dot has a file, means the file is selected, then only we can save. So here we need to give the code as save as. Here we need to give whole path, whatever the path is there. Here we selecting this path, and we give here the full path. And here I am attaching the images, and then we need to give the file name. Whatever the file selected by the user, we give here. This file I want to save on this path. This is the syntax, file upload one dot save as. This file which is selected by the user is I want to save this file on this path. So after executing this statement, selected file is stored inside our images folder. Now we need to give the label. What is that label? Here label 8. So inside label 8 we want to show the text as file uploaded. File uploaded, and which file uploaded we mention here the file name, so that user can clearly understand. Then for image, we want to display that particular uploaded file. So image1.image URL is equal to images, where we have stored that file inside images folder. So here our code is almost done. If user is not selected any file and clicks on this upload photo button, then we show the message as file not uploaded. Yeah. So this is the functionality behind this upload photo button. Now we want to code for this register button. So here we need to import some libraries for database operations. System.data.sql client. Now we text one SQL connection object. CM is equal to new SQL connection. Inside that we need to give the connection string. So where is our connection string? Inside properties we may go towards the connection string, copy and paste here. Inner double quotes we remove, and wherever there is single slash we give the double slash. Okay, so here we take one SQL command object. Here I'm giving the command as insert, because a register means we want to take the all text box information and store inside this user info table. So I am giving the command as insert into user info. Insert into user info, what values we need to store, take inside this bracket, and then active connection object. So which value we are storing? We are storing f name, then l name, then contact, then username, then password, and then picture. Role value automatically added, so there is no need to give the role value. Here we are passing the parameters @ lname, @contact, @. Now in next line we need to add these parameters. Add which value? First parameter value, @first name. Where is our first name? Inside text box 1. So similarly we add other parameters: last name, contact, username, password, picture. Okay, here is last name, here is contact, then username, then password, and then picture. So lname is inside text box 2, contact in 3rd, username, where is username? Username in text box 4. Okay, username in text box 4. Password in text box 5. And for picture we need to add image 1.image URL. So here we first open the connection, then execute the query, execute non-query, and then close the connection. And then we add here one label to display registration done successfully. So here we add label 9, label 9.text as registration done successfully. So this is whole about coding part. In next video we run this page and move towards the login page. Means we design login page and add some functionality into it. So see you in next video. Thank you.